Good morning, second graders. Welcome to your reading and writing lessons for Monday. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of your lessons so you know how to get your day started. Let's go into our modules. And we have week 2 starting on Monday, August 31st. You're going to start with your Mindful Monday activity, and you did that last week, so you know what to do for that already. Then you're going to go into your reading assignments. The first one is going to be a sight word warm-up. We're going to focus on 10 sight words each week. Read the directions. You will know what to do, and make sure you read them closely because it says you do not need to submit your work, but please make sure you are practicing every day. Even if we don't have you submitting anything, we want you to be practicing and we expect you to be practicing. So make sure you get your sight word practice in, but you do not have to submit anything. Let's go to next. Now it's going to be your reading lesson and video 1. So you're going to read the directions for today's lesson. If it seems to be a lot, you can click on this button up here called Immersive Reader and it will read the directions for you. So read the directions, go through the lesson. Here's a helpful anchor chart, and then you can click next. And here is your Monday's reading assignment to complete. Now here's a little helpful trick that I'm going to be using. Do you see this memo pad? Whenever you see this memo pad, that means you are going to be submitting an assignment. And I will always tell you how you can submit your assignment. So if you ever see something to complete with the memo pad, you will be submitting an assignment. So read the directions and you'll know what to do. Now we're getting into our grammar. Now look, grammar practice to complete with a memo pad. So you will be submitting an assignment. And this week we're going to be talking about common nouns and proper nouns. So go through here, watch the directions, and you will know what to do. And then the last reading assignment is independent reading. You guys should be independently reading by yourself every day. The first way you can do it, of course, is through Myon. You can also read your own book at home, but we would like for you to take at least one Myon quiz. You can take more if you'd like. There is a big note down here. It says iReady is not ready for students to use. Eventually, you will be doing iReady lessons for your independent reading time as well, but right now, iReady is not ready. We will let you know. So those are your reading assignments. So after you do all your reading, you should have submitted 1 and 2 reading assignments. And then the last part of your reading and writing will be your writing assignments, which is a quick write warm-up to complete with a memo pad. So that means you are submitting something. Read the directions. You will know what to do. But look, today you are submitting on Flipgrid. I have some reminders down here. And it says, I have uploaded a how to use Flipgrid video on the next page. If you're not sure how to use Flipgrid, go to next. And I made a video to show you exactly what to do. And then you have completed your Monday's reading and writing activities. Do not forget to go to your social studies Canvas course and complete your social studies activities for today as well. All right, have a great Monday.